Alright, number 16 deal with questions in regards to trapezoids. Number A asks you to find the missing angles here. Right, we know the base angles here are going to be congruent. So angle 1 is 77. Then to get angle 3 and 2, we have to look at the supplementary, because the consecutive interior angles there are the consecutive interior angles are supplementary because of those two parallel lines. So if you do 180 minus 77, you get 103. So this is also 103. Okay. Notice here, as a result, the base area here are congruent. That leads us to question B. These is congruent to this. So 6c is equal to 3x plus 15. So you get 6c minus 15. You get 45 is equal to x, and then 3x, so x is equal to 15. Next, we are given the diagonals. There's something very interesting about this diagonal. We know that PR is going to be congruent to QS, this part. Right? Now we can just plug in the variables. PR is 3x plus 3 is equal to x plus 5 minus x to the other side. This gets you 2x minus 3 minus 3. I think this is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1. Lastly, we look at the isosceles trapezoid. So what I do is that if you add EF plus HG, that's going to be 1/2, but I just double CD. That's how I do it. Okay? So 2 parentheses 2x plus 4 is equal to the top part, x plus 4x plus 7. This becomes 4x, this becomes 8, this becomes 5x, this becomes plus 7. Minus 7 minus 7, minus 4x minus 4x. Okay, there's some cancellation. This cancels, this cancels. You are left with, I think this is 1 is equal to x. And then you need to find the length. So EF is 1. CD is 2 times 1 is 2 plus 6 is 6. And HG is 4 times 1 plus 7, that is 11. That makes sense because 1 plus 11 is 12. Divide by 2 gets you that 6.